Welcome to India Meteorological Department (IMD) in this daily weather briefing program of 26 September 2021. In this briefing, we will discuss about the cyclonic storm Gulab and its different weather warnings issued by India Meteorological Department, and also about the past 24 hours weather over different parts of the country. So let us begin with this daily weather briefing program. So this slide is dedicated for today's synoptic systems and associated cloudiness received from satellite imagery. So from this synoptic system, we can see that there is a cyclonic storm situated at northwest and adjoining west central Bay of Bengal. If we look at this recent bulletin updated by India Meteorological Department issued at 9 UTC, that is 14:30 hours IST of 26 September 2021. It is located at over northwest and adjoining west central Bay of Bengal near latitude 18.4 degree north and longitude 85.3 about 110, that is 110 km east southeast of Gopalpur, Odisha and 130 km east northeast of Kalingpatnam, Andhra Pradesh. It is likely to move nearly westwards and cross North Andhra Pradesh, South Odisha coast between Kalingpatnam and Gopalpur as a cyclonic storm with maximum sustained wind speed 75 to 85 gusting to 95 mph by midnight of today, that is the 26th September 2021. The landfall process will commence from the evening of today. So this cyclone is being monitored by Doppler weather radar of Visakhapatnam, and so this is the situation of this cyclone storm Gulab, and accordingly we can see that this cloudiness is associated with the cyclone storm is clearly visible over these areas as mentioned. Besides this, there is a cyclonic circulation over northeast Arvinci and Navarro, and the this monsoon trough is still this running to south to its normal position. So these are the main synoptic system of today, that is 26 September. So this is our forecast track of the cyclonic storm Gulab. So we have already discussed about the situation, and this is the wind graphics, and all these are available on our and being regularly updated on our IMD website, that is mosam.imd.gov.in, and also on our RSMC website. It is requested to kindly visit our RSMC websites and this mosam.imd.gov.in for regular updates of this cyclonic storm Gulab. And so now we will discuss about the rainfall warning for coastal Andhra Pradesh of today. So from this we can see that red color warning is issued for this north coastal Andhra Pradesh district like Srikakulam, Vijayanagaram and Visakhapatnam, and where there is a possibility of heavy to very heavy rainfall, and with the possibility of also isolated extremely heavy rainfall, that is rainfall more than 20 centimeter on today. And this orange warning is issued for this East Godavari, West Godavari and Krishna districts, where there is a possibility of heavy to very heavy rainfall, that is rainfall in between 12 centimeter to 20 centimeter. And also yellow warning issued for these districts of coastal Andhra Pradesh, that is Guntur, Prakasam, Kurnool and Anantapur, Kodappa, Nellore and Chittoor districts of coastal Andhra Pradesh, where there is a possibility of isolated heavy rainfall, that is rainfall in between 7 centimeter to 12 centimeter. This is the weather warning for rainfall warning for this day too, that is valid from 8:30 hours IST 27 to 8:30 hours IST of 28. So from this we can see that rainfall intensity is a possibility of decrease on day 2, that is on 27 over coastal Andhra Pradesh. However, there is a possibility of heavy rainfall over these districts at one or two places, that is rainfall between 7 to 12 centimeter. If we look at the weather rainfall warning for Odisha districts, so from this we can see that on 26th and valid up to 8:30 hours IST of 27. So we can see that red color warning is issued for these south districts of Odisha, that is Kandhamal, Ganjam, Gajpati, Rayagada, Navrangpur, Koraput and Malkangiri districts, that is there is a possibility of scattered heavy to very heavy rainfall with isolated extremely heavy rainfall over these districts. By extremely heavy rainfall, again and again we are mentioning that rainfall more than 20 centimeter, and orange color warning is issued for this Kalahandi, Nayagarh, Khordha and Puri districts, where there is a possibility of isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall during next 24 hours. And by heavy rainfall we mean a rainfall between 12 centimeter to 20 centimeter. And with yellow color we can see that Noapada, Bolangir, Sonapur, Bodh and Katak, Jagatsinghpur, Kendrapada, Bhadrak, Jajpur and Balasore districts where there is a possibility of isolated heavy rainfall during the next 24 hours. By heavy rainfall, we mean that rainfall more than 7 centimeter and less than 12 centimeter. So this is a rainfall warning for day 2 that is valid from 8:30 hours IST of 27 to 8:30 hours IST of 28. So from this we can see that orange color warning is issued for the South Odisha districts, that is Malkangiri, Koraput and Nabarangpur, and yellow warning is issued for Nuapada, Balangir, Kala and Rayagada district, where leading to possibility of isolated heavy rainfall over these districts. On 27, that is valid from 8:30 hours IST of 27 to 8:30 hours IST of 28. So this is we have already discussed, and these are the weather wind warning. Wind warning for this our coastal Andhra Pradesh districts. From this we can see that red color is issued for Visakhapatnam, Vizianagaram, and Srikakulam districts. So from this we can say there is a possibility of strong gale wind, that is 75, 85, gusting to 95 over these districts. And over these districts we can see that there is a possibility of wind speed 45 to 55, gusting to 65 over East Godavari, West Godavari, Guntur, Krishna, Prakasham, and Nellore districts. And this is the wind warning for Odisha. So we can see that from this red color, it is warning issued for Ganjam and Gajpati districts, where there is a possibility of wind that is 75 to 85, gusting to 95. And this orange color, dark orange color, shows that there is a possibility of 55 to 65, gusting to 85. 55, 65, gusting to 75 over these districts, that is Khurda, Puri, Rayagada, Koraput districts. And however, there is a possibility of 50 to 60 gusting to 70 kmph over Nabarangpur and Malkankiri districts. And there is also a possibility of 45 to 55 gusting to 65 over these North Odisha or North Coastal Odisha districts like Balasore, Bhadra, Kendrapada, and Jagatsinghpur. For more detail, it is requested kindly visit our meteorological center website also for fishermen warning and other port warning, etc. So this is the rainfall activity realized during past 24 hours. From this, we can see that heavy rainfall has been recorded over Gujarat region. That is, Disa reported 13 centimeter, Dantewada reported 12 centimeter. In West Madhya Pradesh, also very heavy rainfall. That is Khargone 12 centimeter. In East Madhya Pradesh, heavy rainfall. That's Singrauli 9 centimeter. Coastal Andhra Pradesh reported very heavy. That is Krishna district 14 centimeter. Rayalaseema, Chittoor reported heavy. That is 9 centimeter. Tamil Nadu very heavy. Vilupuram reported 13 centimeter, East Rajasthan Pratapgarh reported 8 centimeter heavy rainfall, and Uttarakhand Bageshwar reported 9 centimeter, Madhya Maharashtra Solapur reported 7 centimeter, Marathwada Beed reported 7 centimeter, in Telangana heavy rainfall, Golconda and Sangareddy reported 10 centimeter each, and in East Uttar Pradesh also Kannauj reported heavy rainfall, that is 9 centimeter, and in Odisha Navapara reported 7 centimeter. So this is the overall picture of this rainfall, and this is the realized rainfall during past 24 hours map showing different categories, that is very light to light rainfall by green color, and moderate rainfall by blue color, and heavy rainfall by yellow color, and very heavy rainfall by orange color, and extremely heavy rainfall by red color. So we can see that other than east and northeast India and over western region except Uttarakhand, less rainfall has been reported. Otherwise most part of the country reported at least light to moderate rainfall during past 24 hours. So this is the weather warning. We already discussed about the coastal Andhra Pradesh and Odisha and this coastal Andhra Pradesh and Odisha districts. And however, for this for 26, we can see that orange warning also issued for Chhattisgarh and Telangana, where there is a possibility of heavy to very heavy rainfall over these two subdivisions during the next 24 hours. Other than these four subdivisions, Odisha, coastal Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, and Telangana, these yellow color is showing, that is leading to possibility of heavy rainfall at one or two places over Uttarakhand, East Rajasthan, Gujarat region, Madhya Pradesh, and Gangetic West Bengal, and here this Maharashtra and Kerala and Tamil Nadu and Rayalaseema during next 24 hours. So this is the weather warnings. And as far as these fishermen warnings are concerned, we have already requested to visit our national and regional and meteorological center state level, that is Odisha, coastal Andhra Pradesh, and generally where fishermen warning has been issued for today over this east coast, that is Andhra Pradesh coast, Odisha coast, West Bengal coast, as already discussed about this. And as far as the west coast is concerned, there is a possibility of this 40 to 50 gusting to 60 over this Kerala and Lakshadweep area also. So fishermen are advised not to venture into these areas. So these are the 5 days warning issued by IMD. So from this we can see that for weather warning for 26 we have already discussed. As far as 27 weather warning we can see that there is a possibility of this orange color, so that heavy to very rainfall as already discussed for Odisha. However, we can see that from red color this Chhattisgarh, Telangana and Vidarbha, that there is a possibility of extremely heavy rainfall over these three subdivisions on 27, and orange color is issued for Madhya Maharashtra, Marathwada and Konkan and Goa, where there is a possibility of very heavy rainfall over these three subdivisions on 27. However, heavy rainfall is expected over Gujarat state, is Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, and this Gangetic West Bengal, coastal Andhra Pradesh, Rayalaseema, Tamil Nadu, and coastal Andhra Pradesh on 27. However, for Kerala, we have issued orange color, that is, there is a possibility of heavy to very heavy rainfall over Kerala on 27, and heavy rainfall is expected also over Andaman, Nicobar Islands, and Lakshadweep Islands, Lakshadweep area. So, for as far as weather warnings for 28, we are clearly visible that red color shows that over this Madhya Maharashtra and Konkan and Goa and Gujarat region, that there is a possibility of extremely heavy rainfall more than 20 centimeter at one or two places over this Gujarat region, Konkan, Goa and Madhya Maharashtra on 28, and very heavy rainfall is expected over Marathwada on 28. Otherwise, heavy rainfall is expected over this Odisha, Gangetic West Bengal, Telangana, and Vidarbha and West Madhya Pradesh, and Kerala and coastal Karnataka and North Central Karnataka. Otherwise, there is a possibility of this very heavy rainfall over Saurashtra Kutch also is expected on 28. As far as 29 and 30 is concerned, rainfall is intensity is decreasing. From the green color is now increasing on 29 and 30. So from this we can see that on 29 heavy rainfall is expected over east and northeast India, especially over Odisha, Bangladesh, West Bengal and Jharkhand, and this Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura and Assam and Meghalaya areas. And heavy rainfall is also expected over Konkan and Goa and Madhya Maharashtra on 29, and very heavy rainfall is expected over Gujarat state. And on 30th, heavy rainfall is expected over Gujarat state and Odisha and Jharkhand area. So we will. This is about the weather warning. We will meet again tomorrow with the daily weather briefing of next day. Thank you.